What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 90 here. Break number 3, 2012 Momentum Football. Sorry for delaying getting this video up. We did have one spot that went unpaid, or went to an alternate bidder, whatever you want to call it. The New Orleans Saints spot was sold to a bidder that did not win the auction. Everybody was sent an email on that, and unfortunately that spot went unpaid. So the original winner of the Saints that did not pay as of couple of hours ago anyway, that spot is going to one of the other bidders in the break, which we sent out an email to everybody on. So we're going to get started here with 2012 Momentum Football, break number 3. 2-box break. It's about 6:15 on Sunday, 6:16 to be exact, and we will start with box number 6 of the case, box number 1 of this break. 6463-2309-8399. And as always, thank you to everybody who joined. Here we go, good luck. Santana Moss and Santonio Holmes base. And first hit is going to be for the Redskins. RG3 rookie salute jersey. For the Redskins, number to 375. RG3 to 375. Tom Brady, Cam Newton, and rookie salute jersey Robert Turbin, numbered also to 375 for the Seahawks. Sam Bradford, Michael Crabtree, rookie auto for the Browns, Travis Benjamin, and as you can see, the black, these guys are numbered to 5, so Cleveland Browns, nice hit there, 2 of 5, Travis Benjamin, black, very nice for Cleveland. Carson Palmer, Percy Harvin, and rookie auto for the Eagles, Michael Kendricks, number to 799. 799, Michael Kendricks. Brian Urlacher, Sean Green, and Momentum rookie signature, Brandon Bolden. Card number 204, Brandon Bolden. And not sure which team that's for. We'll have to research that. 2 Packer base, Aaron Rodgers and Charles Woodson. And rookie triple jersey auto, Justin Blackmon for the Jaguars. And that's numbered to 399. 399, Justin Blackmon triple auto. Kenny Britt, LeGarrette Blount, rookie salute auto, Chris Rainey for the Steelers. Chris Rainey rookie salute auto, numbered 44 of 99. 44 of 99, Chris Rainey. Bolden, Michael Vick, Jumbo Patch, Preferred Picks, Dwayne Allen for the Colts. Numbered 13 of 99. 13 of 99 for the Colts. Doug Baldwin base, Roddy White gold, numbered to 99. And Phil Simms, Momentum Materials for the Giants, numbered 52 of 199. And we're down to the final pack of break number 1, or box number 1, excuse me. Phillip Rivers, Chargers, Joe Flacco for the Ravens, and rookie auto Brandon Harden for the Chicago Bears, numbered to 799. Brandon Harden. Alright guys, box number 2 of this break, box number 7 of our case, 646323102-792. And again, all these were previously identified, if you guys are wondering what the 7s on the side of the boxes mean and all that. If you look at our previous videos, you'll see an identification video where we identified which boxes would be opened and in which order. Not sure why I opened the top there, but... Alright, here we go guys. Box number 2 is going to start with Ndamukong Suh and D'Angelo Williams. Triple auto for the Lions, Ryan Broyles. Ryan Broyles triple, numbered 006 of 599. Dwayne Bowe and Brian Urlacher. Rookie auto Texans, Case Keenum. Case Keenum numbered to 299. 299 Case Keenum for the Texans. Arian Foster, Aaron Rodgers. And here we go. We have a quad that will be randomized because it's 4 separate teams. Justin Blackmon, Michael Floyd, Kendall Wright, and A.J. Jenkins. This card will be randomized between those 4 teams, and that's numbered 6 of 49. So Jaguars, Cardinals, Titans, 49ers, you'll all have a shot at that one. That'll be done on or via random.org. Those of you that haven't dealt with this before, it's a total randomization, and that'll be up within 24 to 48 hours. We can see who the winner of that card is. Totally random process, regardless of how many teams you won from us. If one bidder has 3 of those 4 teams, that doesn't mean that they get the card. That just means that they'll have 75% of the spots in the random. Alright, Vincent Jackson and Kenny Britt. Rookie auto for the Dolphins, B.J. Cunningham, numbered to 799. 799, B.J. Cunningham. Patrick Peterson, Anquan Bolden. Shea McClellan, rookie auto for the Bears, numbered to 799. Brandon Lloyd, Sam Bradford. Rookie team tandems for the Seahawks, Robert Turbin. Turbin, numbered to 199. Gronkowski, Carson Palmer. And a dual jersey head of the class, Justin Blackmon and Michael Floyd. So Jaguars and Cardinals, you guys will both have a shot at this one, 121 or 149, unless of course the same bidder won both teams. But you'll have a shot at this one. You'll also have a shot at the other one with Justin Blackmon and Michael Floyd on it. So 2 shots there for that card for those 2 teams. And Or I think you guys know what I'm trying to say. Jaguars and Cardinals, you both have a shot at a couple different cards. Alright, Jamal Charles and Tamba Hali for the Chiefs. Tamba Hali, numbered to 49, parallel number to 49. And Jersey Momentum Materials, Ed Too Tall Jones, numbered to 199. Vernon Davis, Tom Brady. Demario Davis for the Jets, rookie auto, numbered to 799. And this is our final pack. Final pack of break number 3. And it's going to be a redemption. So Austin Collie, Santana Moss. Redemption, Cincinnati Bengals. At least I know who this guy plays for. Dre Kirkpatrick for Cincinnati. Momentum rookie signature card number 158. And if you guys want to hang tight, I will just go double check Brandon Bolden. Some of you may already know, but I'll go check real fast and see who that hit goes to. Patriots, Brandon Bolden for the Pats. So there you have it. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining. Break number 3 is complete. And break number 4 will probably be the final 3 boxes of our Momentum case. It may end up being a 2-boxer. We may save the last one for last. Not quite sure how exactly we're going to do that, but stay tuned. Next weekend we'll have something going in this Momentum case. So we've got to finish it off here. Again, thank you guys all for joining. Not a bad break overall. No big auto hits. We did have the number to 5 for the Browns and the 1 RG3 jersey card. So any questions, guys, let me know. Again, no recap video here because it's such a short break. Any questions, let me know, guys. Again, thank you for joining, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.